Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about coterminal angles. So what really is coterminal angles? So coterminal angles is yung pag-add ng 360 or pagsasubtract ng 360 sa excess ng isang angle sa isang unit circle. So sa angle kasi, ang maximum kasi niya is 360 degrees in the 2D, two-dimensional world. In three-dimensional world, I think, is there more than 360 degrees? So now let's get for an example. So what if we have theta is equals to 430 degrees. So as you can see, nag-exceed siya ng 360 angles. So therefore, we're going to subtract. So let me just have the unit here. So this is just basic. Yan. So 0 is in the middle of 360. It's just in between 0 of 360. So 430 degrees ang hinahanap natin. We can actually do it, but it is better kapag ginamit natin yung coterminal angles para mas much ma-visualize natin kung saan talaga yung angle na yun. So subtracting that, we have 30 degrees as our angle. So ballpoint na lang natin to. So here is the, pangit Here is the 30 degrees that we need. There you go. So that's pretty much it for this problem. We find the angle of 430 degrees. So kapag 430 degrees natin, so ganito talaga yung kakalabasan niya, which is still the same but much harder. Kung iisipin mo, gusto mo pas na siya na 360. And what if mag-go on pa yan? Right? What if 800 degrees o 800 na bilog? So now let's go for our second problem. What if we have a theta is equals to negative 150 degrees. So as you can see, we have a negative angle here. So pwede naman tayong bumaba at umikot pababa. Yun nga lang, mapapalitan natin yung mga numerals sa x and y values, right? So it is better kapag add na lang natin ng 360. So let me create a unit circle dito. So 90 dito. We have 90, 180 dito sa gilid, and 270 dyan. So what we're going to do is subtract 360 and 150. So our answer is just 210 degrees. So we ballpoint natin kung saan yung 210. So I think dito yan. Okay, let me draw okay, there you go. So there, dito yung 210 degrees, right? And negative 150 degrees if we're going to the negative direction on the clockwise. So counterclockwise is positive, as I told. So there you go. So now let's move on to our third problem, which is what if we have a theta is equals to 800 degrees. So there you go. With an example na sinasabi ko kanina, if 800 degrees siya, what we're going to do? Circle 800 times. I mean, how many times is that? 360 times 2, maybe 2.5 times. So magbibilog tayo ng 2.5 times, which will take long, or maybe may mistake pa tayo magagawa. So it is better kapag mag-subtract na lang tayo ng 360 hanggang marating niyo yung specific value niya sa unit circle, which is less than 360 yung mga values. So what we're going to do is just subtract 360 dito sa 800. So we're going to borrow one. So got 440 degrees, which is exceeding pa rin sa 360. So what we're going to do is just keep subtracting more hanggang makapunta siya sa domain ng 360. Less than 360. So there you go. We have 80 degrees as our angle. So 80 degrees pag binofont natin is here. So there you go. So dito yung 800 degrees. So that's it. That is it for this problem. That's 80 degrees or 800 degrees. So now let's move on to our fourth problem, which is what if we have theta is equals to negative 500 degrees. So let me just throw some theta. Yan. Para kunwari theta yan. Kahit zero yan. And degrees. So, negative 500 degrees. So, what we're gonna do? We're basically just going to add 360 hanggang mapunta siya sa positive. So, hindi na tayo mapupunta sa clockwise direction at palitan yung mga x and y values at hindi magpakahirap. So, we're just going to keep adding 360 until it becomes positive. That's what we're going to do. So, as you can see here, we have 360. We're going to... Yeah, there we go. Let me just add 360 to negative 500. So, what we're going to get is 260. Is it right? 260. And then, there you go. So, ang answer dito is 100. 100 degrees. So, I think I did some mistakes sa subtracting ng negative 500 tapos 360. I think that will be 240. But I didn't change it in this video. So, you can change it yourself. So, this is 100 degrees kapag ang hinahanap natin is that is specific degrees we're finding. So, you can correct me if I'm wrong on that one. That's a pretty easy mistake to do. So, 35 over 6. So, as you can see, naka-radian siya. So, kung marunong man tayo ng mag-transform na ng radians sa degrees, which is I did do sa latest video or last video, you can check out the description to, and that's it. So, transform lang natin tong radian into degrees, and we can just basically graph it. So, this is the process of transferring it. So 30 times 13. We're not going to do a mistake right now. And there you go. So we got 390 degrees. So as you can see, nag-exceed pa rin siya ng 360. Which means we're going to subtract 360 from 390. So there you go. Let's just subtract this thing. And then we have 30, and there you go. So now we have 30 degrees. So if we're going to graph it in the unit circle, or maybe illustrate it in the unit circle. So, saan specific angle siya? So, let me just finish my work. Meaning these things. So, dati hindi ko pa sa ulo yung kung paano yan. But, mastered it. So, dito yung 30 degrees. So, there. So, yeah, this is the 30 degrees. So, this is just same as the right triangle. Or maybe special triangles. You know, we have 44, 45, 45, and 30 and 60. Right triangle. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And goodbye. And also have a nice day.